Hello kids, welcome back to challenge. Today you learn numbers. Kiss colors name. Yellow color, red color, yellow ochre color, green color, brown color, blue color. Kids, today coloring numbers. Kids first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use yellow color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use yellow color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now 3. The numbers of 3. And use red color. T-H-R-W 3. 4. The numbers of 4. And again use red color. Kids now 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow ochre color. 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids now 7. The numbers of 7. And use green color. Kids now 8. The numbers of 8. And use brown color. 9. The numbers of 9. And again use brown color. Kids again use brown color and draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. And again use blue color. Kids now 13. The numbers of 13. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now 15. The numbers of 15. And use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids now 17. The numbers of 17. And use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids now 19. The numbers of 19. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and last it are 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.